lot of people would say that, yaar ye pagal ho gaya hai. Dreaming that one day on a Juhu crossing my hoarding mein mera naam hoga. It was too far-fetched that time staying in Delhi, but yeah, dreams come true. And when they do come true, then people don't call you mad anymore. And people who are watching this, I just keep on saying, dream, dream, dream. However impossible, however crazy. Because I am a perfect example about somebody who, coming from the background and place, wherever I am sitting now, it seems completely an impossibility. But having taken this journey, I would say that it's something that all of you can do. Don't play safe. Don't be apologetic, as I said, of falling down.
Do not cast yourself in the wrong role in life. If you truly feel that you want to be an engineer, then only go there. Don't, to the point, with all my apologies to all the parents, I am also one of the parents of our child. And I truly believe that if our child Kabir wants to be a carpenter, that I would be there wholeheartedly supporting him to become a carpenter or a gardener or a potter. I'm just saying that these are the things generally society looks down at. And if he wants to, be anything, but if the person does it wholeheartedly and it's an inner calling, then there is no need to strategize your reaching out as a global person, as a global phenomenon. It will happen. It may take time, but it happens. I'm not talking from books. I'm talking from my own experience and so many other people that I know personally. Those are the ones that I respect the most. That they have really reached out towards their inner calling and responded towards their inner calling. And then finally, at a certain point of time, when the person is ripe, the inner is ripe, and people have plucked the fruits across the globe. It has happened to so many people, and all the people that I admire and I get inspired by.